Hi, I'm Deirdre with LV Wedding Connection. Thank you for visiting our YouTube channel. LV Wedding Connection is a Las Vegas concierge service specializing in the wedding industry. We solve the coordination problem that couples or agencies run into when planning a destination wedding. We hold your hand through the entire process, from welcoming you when you first arrive to making sure you catch your flight home and all the steps in between. This lowers our clients' stress and gives them the opportunity to enjoy their day. See, we believe everyone deserves a magical and stress-free wedding. By combining over 36 years in tourism and 27 years in weddings, we know exactly how to make your wedding day perfect. We're the exclusive wedding planner for many of the most prestigious venues in and around Las Vegas. Regardless of where you'd like your wedding to take place, we can make it happen. Moving forward, expect to see videos about our experience packages, interviews with past clients, and information about Las Vegas venues. From the proposal to the reception dinner, we'll give you a behind-the-scenes look at how amazing your wedding can be.